Locations impacted include Jones, Riceboro, South Newport, Pine Harbor, Oilonia, Shellman Bluff, Retreat, Crescent, Townsend, and Harris Neck. This includes Interstate 95 in Georgia between mile markers 58 and 72. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds. The local time is 4:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The areas affected include waters from Edisto Beach, South Carolina to Altamaha Sound out 20 nautical miles,